Hi, this is Rockin' Robin, and today we are in Disney World at Hollywood Studios, and I am going to make a lightsaber. I'm very excited. I have never done this, but we're going to show you all the steps it takes, everything you have to do if you are going to make a lightsaber. They make you wait first off in several different lines until it is your time. It's always good to get there a little early, and then they'll put you in a spot before bringing you in. Now, depending on what lightsaber you chose, they will give you a pin that signifies what you are going to make, and also a card that you will put on the table to signify you're making a lightsaber. 4 different kinds of sabers you can make. Here are the different 4 styles available that you can choose from. They're very interesting, and each one is a little bit different. I went with protection and defense, and you will start the process.
Welcome everyone to the workshop. I know, it's a lot. To us, this is everything. I know you've met some of my fellow gatherers. We have Lindsay, Stacy, Emily, and you may call me Kembe. Now, to some of you, this may look like a lot of old junk. Let me assure you, some of it is new junk. We do this on purpose. We call ourselves the Gatherers. We search the galaxy for ancient relics and the forgotten places, abandoned outposts, battle-ravaged planets, and what we find we bring here. So, where the stormtrooper might see worthless clutter, those who know see priceless history, and preserving our past may well ensure the future. How many of you have heard the legend of Luke Skywalker? Excellent. Well, we're around. We have 2. Now we hear there is another. A new Jedi. One who started off as a scrapper like us. Do any of you know her name? Rey. Yes, what Rey is leading right now. It's the spark of hope that we have been waiting for. And that is why you are here. So look ahead. To build a lightsaber. Lightsaber has been wielded by some of our galaxy's greatest heroes and its darkest enemies. It is elegant and enigmatic. Building a lightsaber is a work of art. The saber is a reflection of its builder, the force flowing between them. Today, you will feel that connection. But not if I keep talking. Let's begin. We start with the most important part of the lightsaber, the kyber crystal, able to focus the energy of the force to magnify it. Some have called the kyber crystal the heart of the lightsaber. The color of the crystal reveals the color of the blade. You may recognize some of these from the great Jedi heroes of history. The blue crystal, wielded by the great master Obi-Wan Kenobi, his apprentice Anakin Skywalker, and now, Rey. Green, Qui-Gon Jinn, Ahsoka Tano, Master Yoda himself, and Luke Skywalker. The violet crystal, rare and beautiful, like the crystal wielded by Mace Windu. Red. It has been called the color of power, the crystal of Darth Maul, the Sage Ventress, Darth Vader. Now, Kylo Ren. But these are stories of the past. We are here for you, the future. It's time for you to choose your kyber crystal, the heart of your lightsaber. Builders, close your eyes. In your mind's eye, I want you to picture crystals of all the colors we've talked about. One of these shines brighter than all the others. Now open your eyes and choose your kyber crystal. Excellent. Now take your kyber crystals and place them on the green crystal holders there in front of you. Because now, it's time to join your crystal to the lightsaber design that you've selected. It's time to build the hilt of your lightsaber. This is the foundation of the blade. It is your center of control. It's the part that keeps your hands from getting disintegrated. In the box in front of you, you'll find all of the parts that you selected outside. These parts have come from across the stars to be here for you right now. And we will lead you through the process of building in a minute, but first, here's what's in the box. Looking from the left, you'll find your chassis, then 2 columns of grips. Column 3 is emitters, 4 is pommel caps, and 5 are to matched pair of activation plates. Building a lightsaber is a personal journey, just as you chose your kyber crystal. Now, you're going to choose each part that makes up your own unique saber. Look up at the gatherer in front of you. They will lead you through this. Let's build.
Okay, we're going to start with our chassis, so wake it up. So these lines are facing up towards the sky, up the top of your hilt. Then we're going to take your kyber crystal and insert it right here in the middle chamber. You can do this however you like. I find it easiest to take the point of the crystal, put it down at the bottom first, you have to dip it down, put the key into, then push on the top of the crystal to get it to lock into place. When done correctly, it should glow, it should stay. Now we're going to go to column number 5 and select a pair of activation plates. You can choose either of the 2 pairs, and you cannot mix and match.
This one?
Now look on the inside of the place you've chosen. You'll see one has a red square, the other has a blue square. You're going to match that to the red and blue squares on the side of your chassis. Match your colors. Red goes to red, blue goes to blue, and then we'll snap on the top of your crystal.
Perfect. Now you're going to go back to columns 1 and 2 and select any 2 of the 4 that blue square boxes. Just make the same thing on the other side. There's like 1 on the top and 1 on the bottom.
Once you have your plates on, go ahead and slide your switch up. You should hear a spark. Switch is here. Push it up. There you go. Now we're going to choose 2 grips from columns 1 and 2. You can choose any 2 of the 4 that you like in any combination. Choose 1 for the top, 1 for the bottom. When you go to attach these grips, you'll see each one has a wide ring on one side. That wide ring goes towards the middle, towards your
Upside down,
activation
upside
plate.
down.
Then push and turn until it's fixed. Push and turn. Alright, the other way. There you go. Push and
Other side, other
turn.
side, other side. Oh, this side. Let's turn it around, it's upside down.
Do the same thing on the other side. That's the second grip you choose.
Already.
You can choose an emitter from column 3. Turn the camera. Push and turn. Upside down. Side brain towards the middle.
That side, you had it right.
Oh, there we go.
Push and turn on those grips. Okay, now choose a pommel cap from column 4 for the bottom.
So then your activation switch here, and like I said, activation starts up the activate, down with the activate.
Final check. Your activation
I want to play around.
slide it up to activate,
I think this is
and down to deactivate.
Beautiful old Republic style. Nice new grip to the top absorber for base. Your finesse grip up top. Good planning on that saber. What color is your crystal?
Green.
Another beautiful old Republic style saber. You see the symbols on the top grip? Do you know what those mean?
No.
Neither do I. I was hoping you might know. We've seen them. They're on the cover of some ancient Jedi texts. We haven't figured out what they mean yet. So if you do figure it out, please let us know. You'd like not just the pieces and the parts, but the knowledge as well. Beautiful. You see the spiral symbols on the one grip? The
I
top?
couldn't get the bottom, but one.
What's the fight supposed to do? You need to spread it. Very strong power control over there. What color is your crystal?
Red.
You'll be able to cut through glass.
I'll be able to cut through everything.
Yes. You have built the hilt of your lightsaber. Nothing unexpected or traumatic has happened. Because this is the dangerous part. Leave your sabers at your stations. Back up as far as you can. Right now, the doubter is going to insert your hilts into the crystal stabilization chambers. We need to stabilize that crystal inside the saber for activation. This is very dangerous. If something is misaligned, we could have large expansion of energy in a very short amount of time, also known as an explosion. So I'm going to send it. What's happening?
Many parts silver now joined they are. Yes, lightsaber. It begins. It is time. Your journey.
It's Master Yoda. It is indeed time to take that next step. Builders, we have reached the final part of the process. The bond between Builder and Saber is about to be forged. In a moment, I will ask each of you to step forward, to place your hand on the hilt of your lightsaber, and then on my signal, using your activation switch, all together we will activate. Step forward. Hand on your saber. Activate. Builders, raise your lightsabers. You have built a lightsaber. Like the Jedi and Sith who came before you, and like them, you too can change the galaxy. Remember, it only takes a spark. Please, deactivate your sabers.
Complete your lightsaber is. Like you when it can, but leave you it cannot. Your journey, you both begin. May the Force be with you.
Thank you, Master Yoda! Builders, in your hands you hold remarkable power. And remarkable power should never be dropped on the ground. So, in a moment we will release you one party at a time to receive your saber sheath and continue into the outpost. Our time together is at an end, but your journey is only beginning. It's time for you to make your mark on the galaxy. Remember that you are each as weak and extraordinary as the lightsaber you have created. And maybe next time we'll be telling your story. Builders, raise your sabers. Activate. Now you, my friend, step forward. Receive your saber sheath. Are you ready, my brother? Step forward.
Yes, the door will open for you.
Thank you.
Of course.
And there you have it. I have a lightsaber. Once again, I want to thank Lisa and Jim. Thanks everyone for watching. Please remember to subscribe.